You could try premium and luxurious products before you actually buy them. Crazy, right? So, Smitten is giving premium and luxurious 8 minis for just rupees 249, which includes skincare, makeup, fragrances, and lot more. Before buying any kind of expensive products, go get their mini first, which will save a lot of money. I have already purchased my cutie. Now it's your turn, so go and get yours now from Smitten.